C.a.t. C.a.t. Cat. But for the English learners, they still do not know the meaning of the word cat. So you have to show them a picture of a cat or this. C.a.t. Cat. Very good. All right. Now, here's how I teach the beginning readers, English learners, and others phonemic awareness. This is in order for them to develop the basic foundation in reading. This is my board. Watch for the arrow. The arrow points at letters. Okay, this is my signal if I want to speak. B says B, B, B. This is letter C. C says K, K, K. This is letter F. F says F, F, F. This is letter J. Letter J says Ch, Ch, Ch. This is letter P. P says P, P, P. This is letter S and letter C. Sk, sk, sk. This is letter S and this is letter T. St, st, st. This is letter T. T says T, T, T. This is letter W. W said W, W, W. And let's look at this picture. This is a picture of a dragonfly. The dragonfly. Dragonfly begins with letter D. D, D, D. Now, let's do this again. Okay? You and I will say the sounds again. All right? B, K, F, J, P, Sk, St, T, W. Now it's your turn to read and sound out the letters that you see. Your turn to read. Very good. Very good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Sk. Very good. Now we're going to learn more sounds. This is letter A. Your turn. R. Very good. Let's put all the sounds together and read words. Very good. My turn first. Bar. B-R, bar. K-R, car. F-R, far. Ch-R, jar. P-R, par. Sk-R, scar. St-R, star. T-R, tar. W-R, war. Everybody, you and I will read them again. Get ready? Bar, car, far, jar, par, scar, star, tar, war. Very good job. Now, and let me listen to you. You ready? Your turn. Very good job. Very good job. High five. Very good. Thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next lesson. Thank you for coming to my classroom. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next lesson. Bye-bye.